Eduka yo womo ya Uhuru Superstores Limited nero eduka cholide ilikuwa tukachirangi cha Crown Paints eyuere company nambe yemo eyokorose chirangi menseyiga ya Kenya. Crown Paints nigo emanyira sokoro isya ebintu biria bikomanya seyeka ngokwanira chirangi echo boigo chire chechi brand ao echo chire chingi ya kirage chirangi chiga nigo chire chibirengo ao punabono mabwata chirangi cho wakwa imeye nyumba isiko ye nyumba chire chikomentra nigwa amavuta yani oil na boigo chire chia mache inyoranga chirangi chiga nigo chire kurwase chire chiri guririke iriya gatigati wekariguri iriya bantabati boigo imeya Uhuru Superstores nero eduka yuka eyibwate emixer eyibwochoganya chirangi wikabunuraganye ochoganiri erangiriga aseduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores nabo kwegena muna ekale aho watagete nigo kwayanyora wikirano tutarire rero eriwe nyorere abamanyi naboigo elekenga enyumba yao use asomanyete use chire chibyasara nchibwa tokorekana okuya na ayonsi nigo araikirane ekero utumikite chirangi cha Crown Paints eduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores yego tokase enyumba ya Uhuru Complex imeyumucho yigo musongo eyuerangene duka ya Safaricom mwigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyuere angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simbwetera seti namba chabo 0111161500. Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Getembe TV Ekeonga weekend chidaika Chinsa Ikomi chiabono maragoba njeni gwankuru kwa Ruth Morara Ekeonga Chinsa Ikomi oyo kabeire omukonyi womuraibenso omukuru omusikeriga digashagwa nigabolirie omonene bw'abana jeshi General Charles Kariri wetanga kurwa ase siasa nigakuwa naya chinga kialenge ase ekanisa ya moya Naivasha County ya Nakuru.
Sisi hatuna shida na mtu yeyote. Na tungetaka kuambia mkuu ya majeshi General Kahariri, wewe mtoto wetu wa nyumbani. Please. The military is a respected organization in this country because it has conducted itself professionally since independence. And it's the only institution that the people of Kenya trust. Please, usilete siasa kwa mambo ya majeshi. Majeshi kazi yao ni kulinda Kenya from external enemies. And that is the work of the military. So wewe usiingizwe kwa mambo ya siasa ya William Ruto. Hata ukijaribu kusaidia William Ruto, pahali mambo yake imefika saa hii general, uweze msaidia. Hawa wananchi wamewachana na yeye. Mmewachana na yeye hapo bado. There is no way you can help him. So tunauliza general, please let the military remain a professional outfit because it is the only institution that the people of Kenya trust. So don't bring politics into the military. And for your information, hiyo Ruto must go, si kusema ati atolewe ofisi kinyume ya sheria. No. Watu is a clarion call in preparation for the general election. Ruto atatolewa kikatiba na uchaguzi wa 2027. In a democratic and constitutional process. So General, I'd like to correct you. That call of Ruto must go is just a preparation, ni rehearsal. Watu wanafanya kujikubu. So don't tell us that it's unconstitutional. No. Nobody is saying William Ruto atolewe kwa kiti. Itafanyika.
Omono galibu ebungo monene omusike Moses Wetangula nigaburirie aba Kenya kugenderera gochamo iri kugenderera Omono geribu ebunge nene omusike Moses Wetangula nigaburirie aba Kenya gochamo iri kuendereria Kenya kimagenderero nigaya kwana ya chingaki alengasa matanga yo komwenya omumurabo mojumbe odagoreti omumurabo ko bomojumbe dagoreti Beatrice Elachi.
This is how to be your brother and your sister's keeper. We have degenerated to a level where we look at each other with the blinkers of hate, with the blinkers of ethnicity, with the blinkers of all manner of things that don't help the growth of our country. Mimi nawaomba waheshimiwa wabunge, waheshimiwa mawaziri, waheshimiwa viongozi na hao wananchi, they have given us the rare privilege of leading this country. And for those who much is given, much more is expected. And the expectation of this wananchi can be found in the book of Kusadikika by Shaban bin Robert. Kwamba katika nchi yetu tunaendelea kuyatoa maneno machafu kama chuki, kama uchoyo, kama taharuki katika msamiati wetu, ili tuwe na nchi ya upendo, ya wananchi wanaopendana, ambao kila wakati wanajiona kama ni mandugu na marafiki. That is the Kenya we must have. And that's the Kenya we all pray for. Elijah has shown the way by being there for everybody. The good, the bad, and the ugly. She's there for all of them. And if we can all be like that, Kenya will be the better country for everybody. At independence, we were 5 million people. Today, we are 54 million people, 60 years later. That is a growth of population only witnessed in India. And with that growth comes challenges. And when we have problems, conventional wisdom tells us when you have a problem, don't look for who to blame. Look for a solution. And that's why Mzee Raila, Baba, now President William Ruto, waliona kwamba this country is bigger than each individual. Ndio wamekuja pamoja na wamesema let's move together. Hata wale wako nje shouting from the touchline as the game is going on, come in so that we can build our country.
Abarai nigo baborigwe kuriya Chinsa kigukwanirana anene mono amang'ana aringita abasai nigo ayakwanira aya omuwaipu wabake omusike Milly Adhiambo amono omusike Johnson Sakaja.
I don't know what's going on in this country, but we need serious soul searching. When we have lost Utu, when we don't feel when somebody has lost a loved one. It doesn't matter what the reason or the justification. And perhaps it is time, I don't know in what format, but we need to talk to each other and stop talking at one another and stop pointing fingers. And we need a moment to heal the nation. Because if we don't heal the nation, we'll be tearing this country. And this is a country for all generations. Whether you are my generation, I don't know what I'm called, whether I am boomers or what they are called, or whether you are Gen X or whether you are Gen Z, we all need each other. And I'm praying that when we live here, it's good that Parliament is opening. May we prioritize, and I thank you, Mr. Speaker, you are here. May you prioritize for us as Parliament that we talk about what is bedeviling us as a country.
You know, Mheshimiwa Mili, when you said something true. Our young people and what is happening, what you see as bitterness, what you see as anger, is a cry. The problem is not our young people. The problem is us, the political class. We are the problem. And we need, when you hear a cry from your child, what do? You go down to their level, you listen. We need to listen. We need to humble ourselves. We need to take it seriously. Because our young people are not crazy. Our young people are our children. Let us listen to them. Yesterday I read out a poem at church about our young people being like living arrows that God sends forth upon the mark of the infinite. And as much as God loves the arrow that flies, he also loves the bow that is stable. We as parents, let us not respond to our children with arrogance. Na tusiwapuuzilie, na tusiwatishe, hawatishiki. In fact, the more you do that, the more you rile them up. The more you rile them up, the more they resist. Na mimi najua tutapata nafasi hiyo. So thank you, Mheshimiwa Mili, for raising that. My colleagues, we are here. It is time for us to have self-introspection as leaders.
Omo MCA we wodi ya ibeno omoske Steve Arika nigago kerete egetambo kerugyo kwendereria kwaga chama agacho yechia bisi che ibeno chinga kie challenge kogo kerege tambo kirekyo nigamo etumo nigamo kerete omo governor gwe county ya Kisii asoko bakonya
ngwakero mugabano itosi mbarati ngambia mono asogotoma abafisa ba ekurobisi korora enyumbe yale kwagachwa yabeire saidi emyaka 10 etanya kwagachwa ase okonga chibesa se budget na koranga obisi yalire buna na promise te abantu bebeno nga chi project chikwamete wekatu chikwamule asichinga kechiga torobisi igongo tebe contractor gento ntutagete kende kenene gento tagete egasia bengia egasia kwane yoka
etwachirega ga command site as a ward officer ya for more than 10 years nanjengo akero mugaba nambia sogo koenda na chibesechi nyari ko officer twagambe ne contractor o promise in 2 months egasia na bokonyoro korire na ande no mwemsia tebire that egasia be quality we'll give him the necessary support.
As a contractor, I will try as much as possible to give Rengia, Egerno Mumsiner Karawachagosoime, Anyotanai, Karanstevian, and Agoke Nabantasabu with all his energy.
No Mario Ekeonga a weekendi, Korua Asense Moyo Quakeranga Amalioginechi, Nesauti na Wikera was century Wikera. Niga koro kwa kariri na Wilfred Matundra. Ncheni gonkoro kwa Ruth Morara na kuganiri obo tegere liubia asimiru wilionsi ya Getembe TV.
Superstores Nero eduka asorgo gurigarua South Nyanza ya nchiri amone company ya mabati Rolling Mills ilikuya buatuka uchiase abaonia aiga ntobwate showroom asura achagwirigiria mabati anda unisialia utagete showroom yetu nigo ere engale eyuerengia na woigo ekogokia riso yao chingaki ogoswasa yiga kurigiriria amabati yiga ntubwate team Tembo abo bagokora imirimo ase showroom yiga babwate chingoro chingiye cyugo kwarigania na woigo cyo tebererie kende gensi uraganie bagotebererie company ya mabati rolling mills niko babwate amabati chingenjo ao ayuare ye chikala ao na woigo ayuiga bwate chi profile net gauges ao bunabono babwate no corrugated na woigo box corrugated asbigo babwate boomerang ayuare aye chigage emerongetato asa mabati ali aye chigage emerongibere na isaro na isato babwate tile profiles alia au oriental elegantal versatile gross na woigo na versatile mat MRM niko babwate lifestyle ayuago chana roman jinko na woigo web design babwate ligani kabwate chikala bunabone lia chaco gray brick red tile red maroon sky blue na woigo na green obutambe bwe mabwate liga niko bokolengana amo nukuganya gwe customer mbabwate bintu bindi boigo ebyo ochikunyara kwabo gutumika chinga gicho gwakeranya amabati liga ase nyumba yao tutari rero ase Uhuru MRM showroom onyare kwabo gukwerera amabati yu akomenya sigika ayo uchanye warrant na boigo ayo urakoberwa ikasure asubwango edukenyiga ya Uhuru Superstores yegotoka se nyumba ya Uhuru Complex imeyumuchuri gobusongo eyueranye neduka ya Safaricom boigo ngotoka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyuere angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere singwetera seti namba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.